We got 80 seconds and we're going to add material to an object in Blender. So let's go ahead and make this happen. We got Blender open. Let's start a new project. I'm just going to use the default cube. I'm going to hit tab on the keyboard and 3 on the keyboard. That went into edit mode and went into face select mode. Now I can select one face by clicking on it. And let's go down to the material tab. It looks like a little moon or a sun. And I'm going to click this plus button to add a new material and select new, and we're going to go ahead and make this red. I'm going to hit the assign button, and you won't see the changes unless you go over to material preview mode. And now with that selected, you will be able to see your changes. You can also select multiple places by holding shift and clicking them, and then you can go down to this new material you just created and assign. That's how you add material to your object in Blender. I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and I will see you on the next one.